can we escape poverty? Starting with nothing. What if I told you that poverty is not just about money, but about systems, habits, and information? Most people are not poor because they are lazy. They are poor because they were never taught how money actually works. In this video, I will show you how to start from zero with no capital, no connections, and still begin building your financial journey. Stay until the end because the last point is what separates the poor from the financially free. Point number 1, change your mindset. The first trap of poverty is thinking like a consumer, not a builder. If every money you get is for spending, you will always restart from zero. You must start asking yourself, how can I turn this money into more money? What problems can I solve? Remember, wealth starts in the mind before it appears in the wallet. Point number 2, stop waiting for a job. A job gives you survival, not freedom. In the world today, many people wait for employment while opportunities are online and offline, everywhere. You can start small. For example, buy and sell products. Offer simple services such as writing and designing. You can use your phone as a business tool because your phone is not for entertainment only. It is a machine for income. Point number 3, build a skill. If you have no money, your skill is your capital. You can learn video editing, copywriting, social media management. You can also learn sales. Every 30 days of focused learning can change your income path. A skill removes dependence. Point number 4, save and reinvest. In Kenya, if you earn small money like 200 to 500 Kenyan shillings daily, don't consume everything. Split it. You can reinvest 50%, save 30%, and the remainder you can use for your personal use. Remember, wealth is built by discipline, not income size. Now, escaping poverty is not luck, it is structure. If you change your mindset, learn a skill, and start small, your life will not remain the same. If you find this video valuable, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And in the next video, we will show you how to make your first 10,000 Kenyan shillings online. Thank you. Until next time.